Make up at the 3秒さよならのベル Countdown 3, 2, 1今度だけ騒いでるヘッドホン外しても君の声聞こえないルート信号光る同じ駅同じ時間触れたふり1000回目待つふり待つふりルート信号消えるまたして同じ場所触れたふり1000回目待つふり待つふり
Det är för att det är gott. Primera.
Salatero pues. Pero solo que sanno già ne
Exiano, sono voladores. Great. Atau kami film to musiki. Copyright.
No.
Musiki. Leo, la. Beep beep beep. There's like Isaac so background music.
Sorry.
Okay, we are in this very hippie cafe. the vibe here is very cool. It's cosa lo me stanno
Greenhouse.
Sana.
Ieri sono più
So we are at this cafe. The vibe is very cool. It's very hippie, but it's peaceful. In the summer months, it's very pretty, probably because everything is dead right now. But if it's spring, probably the plants are alive. Anyways, the inside space was not very big, so if it was raining, it would be bad. But I had this. I don't know what it was. I thought it was pizza, but the bread was sweet and the sauce have no taste. But I was very hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna go back now. There is a bus probably to take. It's gonna rain, I think, in a bit because the clouds are. Alright, we're gonna cook lunch and dinner today.
Don't know what.
Don't know what yet. And later at night, maybe we will watch a movie. But yeah, that was today. Thank you. No. Say hi to this. If you see me eating funny or like I was cutting the kimbap and the onigiri because 3 days before I came here I went to the dentist, and as you can see since the last video it's my second month. I closed my second month and the difference is striking, and she changed my wire down, added a bracket here, and the elastics are tighter. So for the 2 days I couldn't eat anything, so I was sticking back to the soup, and now I can eat a bit on the back. It's just I cannot bite anything again. So yeah, I had to cut the kimbap and the rice cakes. Oh my god, I tried to eat the rice cakes. It was so difficult. It was so hard, and I couldn't chew them. So yeah, it's a bit difficult, but at least I can eat ice cream. Yeah, it hurts sometimes. At night I kind of hurt my lips a bit, and now I understand why I sleep with my mouth open now, because it just, I don't know, if it's closed it gets bruised more, and also I didn't break my wax. So yeah, but even though I'm still happy because the difference is the down teeth are almost perfectly straight already. So yeah, 2 months are finished, and when I'm coming back 2 days later, I'm removing my teeth. So yeah, at least I did it after the trip.
It's where white roses bloom, a town enriched by you, and its people, they know what they seek. Medina, oh Medina, take them to the lake and let them see. Oh Medina, Medina, show to them what you feel to hate.
Però non va così, no?
Se provi capacità.
Una
Stunned by your light, they swoon from you, passing by. And its people, they know what they see. Medina, oh Medina, take them to the lake and let them see. Oh Medina, oh Medina, show to them what you feel to.
No, c'è miele oppure vuota?
Soft rose petals fall, dancing in the wind, traveling far, sharing a secret. Better tell Marina, she gets what they teach. Hidden in those moves, this interesting roots, and its people, they know what they see. Medina, oh Medina, take them to the lake and let them see.
Good morning. It is Thursday and we're starting the day at work. Risa is studying at the back and I'm playing at the swings. Yesterday my teeth were hurting quite a bit and we went to like a place that had like this Italian salami and prosciutto and other things. I ate a bit. I like the very rounded, like thick breads. I like them. I had them last time also. They're so soft, and also they give us like a fried bread. It reminded me of like a Polish thing my dad was making, like a fried dough, but that one was sweet and this one's quite. It had some sweetness to it, but it was more salty. But yeah, it reminded me of that. And we had some fried chicken burgers that I barely eat. And we have some plans today. Today, it's not supposed to rain, and there is like a botanic garden, and I'm gonna get finally a hot pot. It'll be the dinner time, but I'm excited to have hot pot. Ever since last year, I just fall asleep. I think about it. Like, it changed my life. Yeah. I haven't had an Italian food yet, except the board of salamis, and I have some cheese. Kiosk or like the booth, they had some like dessert or stuff, but like I wanted something to drink and I asked the guy, "Aqua?" He was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Oh, I see juice." So I take juice, and then he was talking it to me in Italian, and I was like, "Carta," and then it wasn't working, and then he was talking to me, and I was looking at him like, he understands that no Italian. And the guy told me to wait because the POS didn't work. But I wait for like a couple of seconds and it started working. I almost got away with the Italian, but it's okay. I have this apricot and peach.
Somewhere in vision, I don't care. I don't wanna know what the world outside is doing.
My brother's assistant. What happened?
'Cause it's just you and me.
Non so, Alice in Wonderland.
Intertwined thread one. It's the only poison strong enough to
The first two places we visited were actually like again buildings from the university. The garden was like behind the university. I think they like take care of it. They're like about the plants and stuff like that. It was very magical, like fairy-like garden. But I think if it's more springtime and more things will bloom, will be more magical. But it was like I felt like fairies live there. Oh, Campanulas is my best flower.
running for the bus again. Maybe we'll just stay here. The coffee sucks, but I've not thought about leaving yet. You can quit.
Second museum we went to, like the first one. It was, I don't think the museum itself knew what it wanted to be because it was so all over the place. Like at the start there was like stuffed animals, then there was like sea things. After that was like babies' wombs, and there was like a decapitated baby. And after that there were boats. And also where the boats were, there were like Asian things. It was confusing. The boats were interesting, but the babies were kind of creepy. I don't think I filmed the babies because weird. Especially, oh my god, like new fear unlocked. Like imagine giving birth and like the baby gets decapitated. You forgot.
We've still got tomorrow. We can change our mind. Everybody wants where the hell we went this time. Maybe this is dreaming. Maybe I'm just blind. We can't run forever. Maybe we
To the anatomical room where they performed the first anatomies. We tried last year in one of my vlogs, but the tickets were sold out. This time we got in. It's just one room with like wooden decor and a table in the middle. But it was quite aesthetic actually. I had some cute photos there, and we eavesdropped on some other people there, and apparently it's not the original because the one got it was a fire and got ruined, but the wooden statues survived. They're the real ones. I don't know how did that work, but yeah. We finished it with one cafeteria, which was next to the area, the anatomical building. It was next to it. We went like the up area, and we had like this weird cheesecake. We wanted like ice cream theme, but they didn't have ice cream, so I just got tea. And we also stopped by the market to get some, we're planning to cook some things. But yeah, we are quickly here in the house because I have to charge my phone, and we're going to get hot pot.
My mental soil can't change that dependent, that's true. Swear on what I got, you'll be the one. Won't make it out news of the month. Talk of the town, no way around it. If your blessings turn curses, I'm round, yeah. Mean these verses like every word, I'm about that. Let the whole world know that you found me, yeah.
You're into my head.
I just think about no matter what I try, can't get you off my mind. If I was living down, would I ever know? I hope that I'll see the light. Another time, hope that it's bright. Hope that I see you soon. It's getting harder to go. Take it on the chin, just think
We just got back, and oh my god, I'm so tired. Like, we walked so much. Ah, fuck, I pulled my hair. I'm so tired. I think I knew I had something in my hair from the botanical garden. I couldn't take it out because it was in my clip. Anyways, we just got home. It was a lot of walking. Today I'm very tired. We got at the end fortune cookies, and apparently good luck is coming my way. To be exact, pleasant news are coming my way. If they don't come, I'm suing. I don't know, but I'm suing people. I can't anymore. After that, after food, we obviously went for ice cream. The first trip last year I only had like twice ice cream. This time I wanted to eat more, and we went to the same place we went at the start of the video, which is the best ice cream they have here. Actually, we first went to a different location. We found the same branch, but next to the dormitory, a smaller one. And we went there because it was closer, but they didn't have the arancia or the coffee one that Chris wanted. So we walked to the other location, and this time I took like the bigger size, and I could take 3 flavors. I also added lemon, so I have lemon, strawberry, and the arancia, which she put in more arancia. It's so good. It's literally like eating a slushy. Like, the aftertaste reminds me of the penguin ice creams, and the strawberry flavor tastes like it has real strawberries in it. But yeah, that was it. Those were my 3 first days in Bologna. I have 6 more days, and we're also going one day to Florence. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.